everyone, Simon from Pipe Rehabilitation Solution. Just quick tips and trick reminders while using the RENSSI Drain Cleaning cable. We have 4 models available, so the small one 1/4 inch and 5/16 and the bigger one 3/8.5 inch. Also right now different lengths are available. Remember to always use a powerful hammer drill, either a battery operated or an AC cordless that you can plug into the wall. Make sure that your rotator shaft is always close to your security ring. That way it will prevent the cable to kink when you're gonna hit strong blockages. Also lubricate your shaft once at a time by putting some oil just in front of the security ring and making the cable rotate to make sure that it goes through the cable. And one last thing, the flex shaft is always better to use when the cable is all laid down. That way it will prevent the friction from the flexible steel shaft and the sleeve. If you're using it for a long period of time, don't hesitate to let it race if the cable gets hot. If you have any questions, just contact us.